The day started with myself setting up the camera, K2 meter, bell, cat ball, and camera for KK to come at 10 o'clock, because stuff usually happens with KK. So I was setting up the camera last bit, and my phone goes at 10 o'clock, which is KK obviously telling me that she's here, but the phone rang out because of doing some final adjustments on the camera. So I finished that, and then the phone went again as I was walking to my office to get my phone, and it stopped. And then I rang KK and said, KK, I'm coming down, I'll be down in a minute. I picked up my credit card, I picked up my bag, my shopping bag, and keys. I went downstairs, opened the door, got into KK's car, and KK on a smart wrist phone got a call from Wayne. She answered the call, and there was no one there. And she looked at me because she thought it was a pocket call. It was not a pocket call. I was in the car. My phone was actually still in my office where I'd left it. That was the start of today. I cannot explain how that happened, but the rest of the day was really interesting. I hope you enjoy the video.
Good shot. Well done.
I had a hard on myself on the last one, mate.
Pretty well. Cindy's downstairs.
Hello? Hello? Okay. No one there. That's the first time the cat's gone off in ages.
You just said it doesn't go off really anymore. Cindy!
Hey, Cindy, that was pretty cool. Has it gone on up for forever?
Do you think that?
Days, eh?
Do you think that it would be Cindy downstairs in the front part?
Yeah,
Or do you think it would be the?
No, she goes everywhere. No, she goes everywhere. I don't think she goes down much to the back to down usually ones.
Yeah.
But did you have a shot?
No, I think I ran straight away.
Sorry?
I think I ran straight away as soon as I heard the thing go.
Okay, here we go. They're all out. Oh, there's the green one in the centre pocket.
Oh.
Good shot. Now we got 7.
11. Oh, yeah. You've got an eye no matter where you stand. I'm really not a fan of long shots. Hi!
Wow!
You saying I've got this? Oh!
Hey Cindy, awesome.
Hey!
Hello. Thanks for setting the cat off downstairs. See, nothing happened all morning. Then the cat goes, and
now
the bell
I've got
goes.
a bell. Hi Cindy. How are you? Thanks for letting the cat go off and the bell.
And I think the phone. Cindy, did you do our phones? That was pretty impressive. Because remember when she used to make my landline go?
Yeah.
My landline used to go, there's no one there.
No one there.
It can't
Like
go.
when I answered, no one was there.
Yeah, and that landline
Doesn't even work.
couldn't even work. Remember we tested it here?
Yeah, we
I
did.
said, here, you ring it, right?
Yeah,
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened. So good. Oh, we love having you around, Cindy.
Yeah, awesome. Because what happened last week? We only got one thing, did we?
Got
one thing.
One, yeah, and I think you were in the kitchen or
Yeah,
something.
somewhere else, yeah.
Just one thing. So we've got more today than last week.
Yeah, today we got the cat. There you go, here you go. 12. Yeah, yeah.
Oh, so happy, Cindy.
That's bizarre, isn't it? Like the cat going off. No one's there. Oh, Cindy's there.
Cindy's there.
Too good. That was a good shot. Cindy, make the bell go off when KK does a good shot. Uh-oh.
I think she's like gone down.
Mm-hmm.
Come back up.
Mm-hmm. Better go and just check no one's there.
You literally just said,
yeah.
Make the bell go, and the cat went.
That's awesome.
Oh, I love you, Cindy.
Awesome, Cindy. I was beginning to think that Cindy didn't want to use the cat downstairs anymore.
Yeah, she sort of changes so much, doesn't she? Cindy. Oh, so exciting. It's so good. That's Cindy.
That's awesome. I said, make the bell go. Oh, that was a good shot. Oh, that's a good shot.
Well, that's just brought so much joy to me.
Yeah, me too.
It does. It makes you. It really lifts you up, I feel.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, that's terrible.
Hey,
I didn't. Not one ball.
Didn't hit one ball. Hey, Cindy, there's a cake.
Okay, 2 metre.
There's a cake 2 metre here too. You can make that one go off as well. That was incredible.
That was so good.
That was awesome.
Cindy, do you reckon Wayne's going to get this in?
I hate these shots. I really hate these shots. Yeah, I never get them. I really hate those shots. If someone's been playing as long as I've been playing, you think you'd actually be able to get those. I think it's 13.
Yeah. This one?
Yeah.
Yep.
So 2 things and 2 cats.
2 cats.
Probably shot. Oh, you didn't make it. But the 6 is okay.
Oh,
No, it's on.
not this. Oh,
Right.
yes.
The 2 or the 1. The one's a bit harder. Yeah, that was 2. Oh, that was close.
It's those middle pockets that hate me. They don't like me. Oh, I'm so happy you're around, Cindy.
Yeah.
So happy.
If the cat had gone off once, I would have gone, oh, I don't know, who knows.
If a bird flies past the door,
No, I've tried everything. Nothing will make it go off. You have to walk in front of it. Right? And it used to go up in the morning. And
yeah, you had a big.
I'd wake up in the morning, right? I'd be laying there watching some YouTube ready to get up, just waiting, I'll play YouTube, see the news, whatever. Then the cat would go, welcome.
And straight away, do you get up?
Yeah,
You just
well,
go
I did,
out?
I went and checked, no one there. Now I realised it was Cindy making the cat go. So then one day it goes, welcome. And it doesn't do it once, it does it about half times. Welcome. Welcome. I'm going,
oh, that went right up. Oh, the red.
Cindy. Awesome. So see, when I'm talking, I'm telling you what happened, right? So things happen, right? So now I'm telling you, and Cindy's going, yeah, that's right, that was me.
Red.
Yeah.
That's all the way to the red then.
And that's been sitting there for ages and nothing's happened, right? But anyway, so then I got up.
Every time you look over here, it goes up.
I got up and I took the camera down there. And I stood behind it.
Yeah, that's right.
And it goes, welcome. And then I go, look, it can't work. Walk in front, right? And I go, nothing's happening. And it goes off, welcome, welcome. This kept going off for ages. It's the first time the cat's gone off in ages. In fact, I thought Cindy hadn't, and I thought Cindy might not have done it. And then, no, I always think Cindy didn't do it. And then when I stop and think about it, I go, yeah, no, of course Cindy did it. Of course she did it. See? Of course she did it.
Oh my God.
That's awesome, yeah. Hey Cindy, that's awesome. So we've had a bell go. We've had the bell go. 2 bells or 1 bell?
Oh.
2 bells?
No, 1 bell.
1 bell. 2
2 bells. We had 2 bells.
2 bells. 2 bells.
It's
1
not
cat.
That's sound.
1 cat. Oh, hang on. Which camera have we got going?
This one.
Was it this one over here? I think I've got this one going.
You know, in Ghost.
Oh, I've got this one. I've got going this one.
You know how they who is it that can do it? Can jump into their bodies?
Just go and stand next to that for me, will you? Yeah, I can see that. Yeah, so Cindy set that off.
Wow.
So Cindy set Cindy set the bell off. Hey Cindy, did you do my phone this morning? I think that was Cindy. Because KK's phone went and I was already in the car. I was in the car. My phone couldn't have rang KK because I didn't have my phone with me. But that's not the first time she's played with phones. Remember I told you she used to set my landline off and stayed connected.
Well, maybe that's why it came through. Oh, maybe that's why it came through. Your landline doesn't work. My watch doesn't work unless I put the code in.
Your watch didn't work. It wouldn't work until you
can't call it. I'd be really interested to know if Cindy does have. You know how in Ghost they've all got a special power.
Yeah. Oh,
I wonder.
And don't forget when your flask fell off the ground.
Yeah, flask, the paper.
Right? The cat she used to knock the cap off.
The cap.
Right? She knocked the paper off my desk the other day.
Yeah.
She's made my shaver rock on the table like that.
What? You didn't tell me that.
Yeah. I was looking at my shaver. Yeah,
Oh, hi, Cindy.
Yeah, this is what she does sometimes, right? My shaver's sitting on my desk. Cindy, this is my shaver. Right?
Oh, red.
It'll be sitting there like that, and I'll be popping away, and the shaver will go like that.
Really?
Yeah, I'm popping away. And the shaver goes like that. And then, the screwdriver, it'll be like that, and the screwdriver will go like that.
Wiggle.
Yeah,
Oh, and it'll do the roll.
Oh, inconsistent.
Yep.
Is
that recently?
No, that's been happening for ages.
Oh, okay.
But only. Scared the day like
it scared me too. I'm gonna make this jump.
And when the K2 meter wasn't going, now she's back here.
You don't have cameras. Oh, that's not the front door.
No, there's no camera on the front door. No.
Oh.
That's 3 cats downstairs, 2 dings, and a K2 meter. All we need is a what do you call it?
That's crazy though, with the cat at the front.
The cat at the front.
When it hasn't happened for so long.
But that's amazing news. That hadn't moved all morning. Has it?
No.
I had it there for. You're getting lost.
It's okay. Go
there? Yeah. You hear voices?
Mm.
I heard quite voices. Did you hear? You heard something though?
I heard something. Like someone was far over.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I didn't make out.
I thought it was voices. I don't know.
No one's there. No one's there.
No one's downstairs?
No.
I thought I heard a voice.
But if you came through me, it was going on. And then the cat went off as well.
No, not that much. Not into the rain. And it was been sitting all morning, just raining all morning.
Hi, Cindy.
You see, when the bell goes, if it's just that on its own, I don't know. But when the cat goes off 3 times, the bell goes off twice. And then you have the continuity going on.
Ooh. 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 Ha. Ha.
Now your voice can't make it go off. No.
Woo! That's 4. Oh, I love it. I love it.
4.
That's a lot, Cindy. That's great.
See, that's because I'm saying I don't know if Cindy, if you go, oh, you're all right,
Yeah.
I
confuse you.
Yeah.
Playing games or not?
I think I've got this camera set now. No, see, I think you're standing in the way of the case. Cindy, make the K2 meter go. There you go.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter. We're here talking about it. That's too good.
Of course.
I
wonder if Cindy's got another power, like
that's where you've got to go.
Oh. Oh.
You go, ready?
Hey? Maybe she's all just gotten alive.
You can't never tell.
But you know how the ghosts, how they all have to.
Yeah. One guy's got the
hippies before me.
Yeah,
the drugged one. Then she walks through, you stoned.
You're stoned for a couple of hours.
Yep.
Then you got the guy that smells because he's got diarrhea or whatever.
Oh, that one.
Oh! Yeah, because we're talking
About the ghost
because
movie. I was talking to her before about it. I was like, I'm watching the same series.
because Cindy, I'm sure Cindy was watching it with me. She was watching
Yeah.
it because she was going ding. I think she's laughing, and I'm going, "Is that funny? That was funny, wasn't it, Cindy?" And then that ding. I said, "The bell's going off."
I feel like you got
And then you got
you've got this guy that can actually go into the body.
no, they can't do that unless they get electrocuted or something like that.
That's right. That's right.
And they want, and he, for Christmas he wants to go in her body so they can make out with the girl.
With the other, with Trevor.
Yeah, Trevor wants to hang out with the girl.
Hook up with her.
And then
then he died.
Yeah, that's right.
The other guy
And
died.
then they lost Cindy. They lost what's her name down the well. Have you got to that one yet? Where the hippie, what's her name?
Is down the well? That's not the ghost box.
No, that's the ghost box.
I just watched that one.
The ghost
box. I'm
box.
up to, yeah.
Oh,
where they touched it and they got sucked in, Thor and the
oh, it's so funny, isn't it?
So good.
And what are you up to? What are you up to?
I don't even know. I think I fell asleep watching it last night.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh, has Hunter seen it?
Nah, I told him to watch it. He's watching something else at the moment, so he's gonna watch it after. Hi, Cindy.
I'm sure Cindy was watching this with me, and make your bell go once more, Cindy. That's
I must have done. Like season 2.
Right, yeah, season 2. There's season 5.
Oh, so I really just finished. I must have fallen asleep last night because I must have been. I was so tired.
Did you have it on your phone?
Yeah, I just watched it on my phone in bed.
How can you see it?
You can see it easy. See?
Girl, it should be some word about not being invited to the wedding.
Oh, yeah.
She believes she can do something bigger.
And yet she did. Obviously, it was her. But you know what the important thing is? Your daughter, Laura, is
funny.
It's so good. I'm right into it. Even Brent was listening to me watch it the other night. My headphone died, so I had it up loud, and he was watching it a little bit. He's like, "Oh, that's actually quite funny."
Oh yeah, ball watching that. Yeah, now we've got the K2 meter going off, and we've got a bell just then.
We've got a bell. So that's 3 bells.
3 bells and about 4 cats. At least 4, maybe 5.
4, maybe 5, yeah.
So if one went off together, went welcome, now welcome went off.
Yeah, because then we walked over there the second time.
And that cat hasn't gone off for a month, 2 months. That bell has not gone off.
Through different stages. Like even with the cat ball, she used the cat ball for ages, and
then she started.
Now since you've been watching ghosts.
Yeah, she uses the cat ball. She uses all of them now. And today, 2 things: the bell and the cat, right, and the K2 meter. 3 things. Too good.
Yeah, I wonder. It'd be interesting. Would that be too touchy to ask?
What's that?
If she has any way of having a gift in a way.
Oh, I asked her if she was setting off my land phone.
Oh, did you?
She said, yeah, that's in one of those recordings.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. You set off my landline. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, absolutely. And that is really interesting. Okay, today, like your phone, my phone's not even here.
Yeah, I'm not in the building. You're not in the building. Doesn't make sense. And you cannot call if you don't put the code in. I'm always yelling at
You can't call if you don't press KK on the phone that's sitting on my desk up here with no one around.
No, it's so good. Oh, I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Cindy.
Well, KK's got to go now because she's got to go and do other work. And then she'll be back on Tuesday again.
I'll see you on Tuesday. Next week.
So that's going to be quiet now. That's not going into the red.
No, it's sitting on the green now, isn't it?
Sitting on the green now. No, I won't do it. It's not vibration sensitive.
I
It's only
know. You just always second guess, don't you?
second guess it. But yeah, that's definitely going off because of Cindy, because that was that was sitting there for ages and ages and it just didn't go off.
Oh, I feel like it brings so much joy to yourself. Or it does for me.
Yeah, it does.
And I'm sure it does for you.
Yeah, absolutely. Every time this happens, I just go.
I feel so giggly when I'm driving home. I'm like, oh,
yeah,
I'm just so happy Cindy came.
Like today we got. If it was just one bell, you go, oh, maybe that wasn't Cindy, maybe it's electricity, maybe, who knows, one bell. Yeah. I mean, but that bell hasn't gone off all morning. I mean, we're playing pool, nothing happened. I had it in my bedroom, nothing happened. And then just that goes. But then not only does that go, the cat goes. Then the cat goes, and then the K2 meter goes. And
you did hear a noise. You thought it was a voice.
I thought it was a voice. So I hit the recorder off. Check the recorder out, see if there's any voices in there. Now the K2 meter's gone a bit quiet now.
Just on the phone. It's not budging.
It's gone quiet because Cindy knows it's time for you to go home. You can't stand here all day talking to Cindy. And you got
to go pick up the children.
You gotta go and pick up the children.
Oh, thank you so much, Cindy.
Yeah, it's not really going. That's a little kick.
Oh, it's so good though. It made my day. Made my day.
That was a good set. Thank you, Cindy.
No, thank you.
That's always fun.
Enjoy your show tonight with Wayne.
I told Cindy this morning you were coming today.
Oh, did you?
Yeah. See, now it's not going much because you're going home.
Hi, Cindy.
You see, it was been all morning.
Did you need to go to the? I'm gonna go get baked.
No, I'm good. No, I
take
stopped
the
at the shop and got.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got any food? You still got
I
your
got
pie?
plenty of food. Look.
Hi, Cindy.
That's what I was doing all day. Nothing.
Yeah. Is there any way you'll put the hat back at the front?
No, because they took the mannequin away.
What about that mannequin?
No, because after KK left, I've ran some tests on the K2 meter with a camera. I actually ended up placing two brand new K2 meters with brand new batteries next to the black one that goes off in the video, and I've been checking that out all afternoon, and only one K2 meter goes off when I speak to Cindy. It's the black one. Neither of the other two even move. I'll be editing that video tomorrow, so stay tuned on that one.